Just to show a couple of key things that we do here that we didn't really talk about the other day, this CAD program. So let's just choose a ring. For example, we can choose this in a cushion shape. We can choose it in an oval. Let's go with oval. Very popular choice these days. I pull this out in front of customers on the front counter, and if they have a fair idea of what they want already, we just start in and give them a little presentation on what they can do with this program. And it's a bit of a hog, so it takes a while to boot up. So now we have an oval center stone. Let's just say it's actually a sapphire instead of a diamond. No surprise there. And let's say that the lady prefers that the primary color be yellow gold. We can also switch this out so this is white. We can put a special comfort fit shank on here. Let's just try and make that feature work quickly. So watch what happens when we do that. This is actually a feature that gives it a little more stability on the hand. If it wants to know what it would look like proportionately, we put it on a hand. Lots of other capabilities here. I just wanted to show the short version. Now stepping out here, can't pause video unfortunately while it's being recorded, or at least I don't know how to. So here, let's just look at this monitor here. So on our site we have the lots of stuff, but we have financing available. Jewelry financing, buy now, pay over time. So we go in here, they can actually sign up for this online by clicking this Learn More section. So they can go through the whole application process without ever calling us. Takes all of 5 minutes, and then we are notified they've been on here, but that's it. And then before they we don't contact them, they contact us and let us know what they're interested in. But they can go through and see what they're open to buy is. Anyway, it's a valuable tool that we're not really advertising very much. We want to, but it seems to fall on deaf ears. So I wanted to maybe try and focus on this a little bit more. It's an important part of our marketing campaign coming up. That's it for now.